Today I'm at the community of Ocean Acres in Barnegat, New Jersey, and I'm going to give you an overview of the community in this video, show you the 5 different model homes, the features, the benefits, and what's available, give you some information on the pricing, and just show you around the community in general. So I'm inviting you to join me for a tour of the community of Ocean Acres. So this is a massive construction site here in Ocean Acres. I mean, I can't even count the number of homes I'm seeing going up here. It probably looks like about, I don't know, I can see at least probably 30 or 40 homes going up here. So they are building these very quickly here. Very nice layouts of the homes too. They have 5 different layouts to pick from. Great neighborhood here in Ocean Acres in Barnegat, New Jersey. Ocean Acres is the only opportunity to own a new single-family home in the fastest growing and fastest selling community in Barnegat, New Jersey. It's just miles away from the Garden State Parkway and Long Beach Island. Own a new home in a peaceful neighborhood with easy access to Jersey Shore destinations, local shopping, dining, and entertainment has never been better in the area. Ocean Acres is located just minutes from the Garden State Parkway and Route 72, making your commute a breeze. So move into Ocean Acres with complete confidence, knowing that your home is built with top quality craftsmanship and materials, and access to the most current energy efficient products to ensure that you're going to save some money when you move in with those electric bills and monthly bills. So since 1978, DR Horton has been building homes, and they are America's #1 home builder. There are 5 different floor plans to choose from at Ocean Acres. First one I'm going to tell you about today is the Glendale, and this is 1,649 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. The Glendale gives you the features that you're looking for at a price you want. It's the lowest priced home there in the community. You'll immediately feel at home as you enter into the spacious family room. This living space flows nicely into the eat-in kitchen, which highlights the peninsula island overlooking the family room, so you'll never miss a beat. Upstairs, the 4 bedrooms provide enough space for everyone, and the 2nd floor laundry area makes things simplified for your everyday chores. The Durham is 1,906 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. The Durham gives you the features that you're looking for at a fair price. You'll immediately feel at home as you enter in the spacious family room. The living space flows nicely into the dining area and then the kitchen, which highlights a large modern island. Upstairs, 4 bedrooms provide enough space, and there's also a 2nd floor laundry room. The Eastover is the next largest home available. It's 2,169 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car garage, and this offers a foyer. Then there's the flex room. You can use the space as a dining room or home office or a play area. The kitchen has a modern island that opens up in the dining area and great room. You'll never miss a beat. Upstairs, the 4 bedrooms provide enough space, and there is a 2nd floor laundry room as well. The Galen is the next model available at Ocean Acres. It's 2,340 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. This is one of the popular models. It offers a foyer and then a flex room that can be used as you like. The kitchen features a large modern island that opens up into the dining area and great room. Upstairs, again, 4 bedrooms, and then you have your 2 full baths up there, 2nd floor laundry room as well. Next we have the Northwest model. This is 2,867 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, and upstairs loft area, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. This really has it all. Eat-in kitchen boasts a modern island, plenty of counter space for cooking and entertaining. Kitchen area flows into the family room, creating an open concept living space. And you need some more room to spread out. You have an informal dining room and living room at the front of the home. Upstairs, 4 bedrooms and the loft area provide plenty of space to relax and recharge. And if you're looking for more space than what the Ocean Acres community offers, I encourage you to check out the Stafford Park community, which is in nearby Manahawkin. And I have some videos and information on that. I'll include that in the video description in the link below. So if you're looking for homes for sale in Barnegat, New Jersey, definitely want to consider DR Horton's Ocean Acres community, new construction homes for sale. They're building them very quickly. They're building and closing about 5 or 6 per month. So chances are, if you're looking for something quickly, they may have something available for you that you can move into within the next month or so. 5 different models to choose from. So if you like this community, like this information, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about the models and the community, and subscribe for more updates from me. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.